Today I'm outside in a beautiful park right by my house. Can you see? It's just lovely. And the sky is beautiful. And there's some geese over here making a bit of racket. But it is a great day, a little bit windy, but I've got my trusted roller, my foam roller with a bite out of it from my grandpuppy to keep me stable while I do a couple of exercises to keep our hips strong. As we age, one of our biggest fears is falling. And you need to keep your gluteus minimus and your gluteus maximus and your hip abductors, everything in that area needs to stay strong in order for us to be able to walk and go upstairs and just explore the universe, which is something we want to keep doing, isn't it? So I'm going to start with a little side kick. It's not very extreme. I'm going to move back here so you can see me, and I'm going to start a little side kick, and I'm going to use my foam roller to keep me steady. Here I go. Today's standing side kicks will strengthen the hip abductors, improve balance, and enhance hip stability. The split squats we're doing will strengthen your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves. I'm going to start on this side, bending this leg a little bit, and I'm going to start kicking out to the side. Slowly, not too far. Try to stay stable. I'm going to put my stabilizer here, and I'm just kicking lightly out to the side. And I'm going to do this, let's say 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to kick a little bit slightly backwards, not straight back, but just to the side. So I'm going to stabilize, put my hand on my hip. You're noticing you're going to be working this other leg too. So here I go, just slightly back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to go over to the other side because we want to stay as balanced as possible. So I'm going to be kicking straight out to the side and then slightly backwards. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Standing up straight, kicking slightly back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We could do that 3 times, but I'm only going to do it once here. So another thing we want to do is strengthen the front of our shins. Do you ever think about that? We're going to lift up on our toes, and then we're going to go back on our heels. And you'll notice a little bit of feelings in the front of your shins. So up on our toes and back on our heels, using our foam roller for balance. Here I go. Foam roller, up on my toes and back on my heels. Up on my toes, back on my heels. Up on my toes, back on my heels. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now getting up on those toes is great for your balance. That's what we're doing. And you could even tighten your abs a little bit when you're doing all of these exercises and kind of get double purpose out of it. The next exercise I'm going to do is a split squat. And I'm going to do it in a kind of gentle way. And a split squat is where you're going to have one knee in front and your leg extended out the back. And we're going to go down into a squat without your knee. You always want to see your toes. So you don't want your knees to go over your toes or forward. We're trying to go straight up and down. So I'm going to move back here and do that. Balance. Front leg. Back leg. Here I go. We'll do it for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. And we'll come up again and we'll switch to this leg. In place now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Step-ups are highly effective, low impact, and versatile. They strengthen the quads, glutes, and hamstrings while improving balance and stability. They also boost cardiovascular health and burn calories. Step-ups are very important to help us remain confident and strong in our behind, which is where a lot of, well, much of our balance comes from, and our abs and our core, everything working together. But these step-ups will help to strengthen your gluteus and keep your butt strong for going upstairs and walking confidently. You know, not all of falls are caused by weakness, but they are caused sometimes by fear and uncertainty. We're taking steps without confidence. So let's get strong. And I'm going to back up here and do some step-ups. Step-ups. Step-ups are very important because they give us strength that gives us confidence. When you're walking and you're nervous about your next step, you're afraid of falling, that's one of the causes of falling. Of course, strength is another cause, but just lack of confidence in your next step. This exercise, step-ups, will help to keep us strong, and it takes some ab work, it takes some core work, so it helps to keep us upright and strong. So let's get started. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we should do more of those. We should do 3 sets of 10. And I incorporate step-ups into my walk, like as in this playground. It's in the park where I love to walk. So during my walk, working towards 10,000 or 7,500 is what makes me happy. But during those walks, which I don't do all at one time, I will often throw in a couple sets of step-ups. So I've done my work for the first part of the day. It's early in the morning. It's going to get windier this afternoon, so I thought I'd get out early and get started. Now you can do these exercises inside, of course, but I love my vitamin D, so I love to get outside in the morning. And it's a great way to start your day. I love it. I know you will too. If you try this, exercise outside, of course, it's hard to do this without a tripod or a friend to hold your camera. But if you walk with a friend, your friend could hold the camera and you could show what you're doing outside to keep you healthy and strong through your third age. I'm so happy you joined me today. Now, until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. I'll see you next time.